Colonel Fike has brought some awards with her for some of our cadets. What Colonel Fike has done is prepared a certificate that she will give to our 3 Fike Award earners. Would Cadet Captain Dakota Diva and Cadet Technical Sergeant Dylan Waller and Cadet Airman First Class Flight Leitner.
Some idea of what these certificates are. They are copies of the certificate that General Bowling gave to me that established the Mary Fike Achievement Award for the cadets. And the very first youngster that I pinned a ribbon on, after he let me breathe, he hugged me so tight, he said, "Ma'am, what do the colors mean?" Well, my certificate tells how the historian picked the colors based on my background. So I signed each one, and there's a little line after Civil Air Patrol were the last words that my father said to me when I left home to go to Wright Field to start my aviation education and wonderful life. And he said, "Aim high and follow your dreams." Over, because my father was Turkish, my mother was Romanian, and this is where I was born. And Dr. Oz, you know, his name, Mehmet, is the same as my father.
Wow. You know Cleveland Pneumatic Tool on the east side?
Oh, yeah.
My dad worked there for many years.
The SPAD 13, this was the last airplane I helped restore.
So did you fly them or just work on them or both?
Both. Yeah, in fact, a lot of the flying I did was to write the flight training manuals for the airplanes. And all I know is that I was so happy for my English teachers that taught me how to write. That was wonderful.
And like, did you serve in World War I, World War II? Help me out here. What wars did you serve in?
Well, I didn't serve. I was not in uniform. I was a civilian employee. And I worked at Wright Field. I flew my first P-51 when I was 18 years old at Wright Field.
And am I out of line asking how old you are now?
I don't know what happened to my...
She was telling everybody her 89th birthday is in a couple months.
Oh, okay.
I flew 9,000 hours just as a test pilot, and I have about 25,000 hours total time in all the airplanes that I flew. And I can remember that one of the ways I like to approach would be to run down the runway, do a chandelle, come in, land, and every time I would go into a military base and I'd call the tower, they say, "Okay, Mary, is that a 360 overhead?" And I said, "Yes," and they let me do that. But I really, really did enjoy it, but I wish I could